Hey everyone, welcome back to Web Tech Knowledge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Bootstrap CDN link into your HTML file. So how you're going to do it? First, you have to open your browser, and here you just need to type here Bootstrap, click enter. After you'll get this link, click on that, and then here you'll find this option, read the docs, click on that. And then you need to come over into instructions section, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the CDN link. So as you can see, here is the link for, you can simply copy it and you can simply paste it into the head section like this, and you can simply save everything. So now if you look for the JavaScript section, here you'll find the JavaScript line. So if you just copy everything, if you just paste it into Visual Studio Code after the h1 tag, and that's it. If you just save everything, open the live server. So yeah, that's it. This is how we can simply add the Bootstrap CDN link into your HTML file. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.